It is Wednesday. I don't know why I'm acting like I don't know what day it is. And I recorded for you guys this morning. I recorded my breakfast, the easy, quick, on-the-go egg and vegan sausage biscuits that I made in a toaster oven this morning. Just gotta say, it was quick and easy, y'all, because all I had to do, only thing that needed to be washed was the little pan that I cooked the eggs in. Everything else, the aluminum foil away, and it was just that simple. Yeah, I just wanted to come in and check with you guys. I'm up in here cooking dinner. Just cooked some Brussels sprouts, ground turkey with onions and some pepper. And I got me one sweet potato cut up boiling. So that's going to be my dinner for tonight and for my lunch tomorrow, because I'm sure there'll be enough left over. I hope y'all been doing good, been having a good week. I'm going to be going on vacation soon, so I might do a pack with me video or something like that. Comment below if you think you guys would like that. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and say hi to you guys. I'll check in with you guys maybe later on tonight or something like that, when I wash my face or something like that. All right, bye. My dinner, guys, is the final product. Sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, turkey with peppers and onions. Look at all that color. Wow. Good and healthy.